What's up, rail fans? This evening I've redeemed myself. Gotten a rental after some incredible chaos went on this morning. I have a couple video clips from the big grade A cluster that I regret doing big time. It didn't end any better because what happened was I ended up getting the car into neutral incorrectly, and that messed up the transmission a little bit, but I was able to drive home safely. That's what's most important in the end of the day. So this cannot be good. My car is stuck in the sand here on the shoulder of 78. Public right-of-way. I didn't know the sand was so soft that it was gonna catch the car. Fortunately, as a good rail fan should do, I got AAA, and they'll be coming over really soon, hopefully, to pick up the car and just tug it out. That's what it's gonna take. The repairs will be that I have to do to Train Chaser 4 will be a temporary pain, but it will not last. That's the best way to handle this, and of course, as a consequence, I'm making the best out of what I can do. And alas, I'm at Plant City with a rental. It's a Toyota Sienna. My parents, thanks to them, helped out renting the car, and at least what it's good for is it hauls all the Lego properly. In the back, there's ample room for more models, and one of which is this building right here. It's the Plant City Railfan Depot. Last night at 3 in the morning I built a Lego rendition of it, and you'll see it later in this package or this series of videos. Built it pretty much to scale, 2 stories, dark red brick with dark green windows, and the same black roof that you see in the depot. The depot I actually previously brought to a train show in 2013. It's actually with me now, and it will be set up tomorrow morning bright and early at Plant City at the Trinkle Center. Pardon my stuttering, it's a little bit chilly this evening. It's in the mid-50s right now, and I'm dressed up in summer clothes. I have a surprise for you guys. Stay tuned. So this is not what I originally planned. I was gonna go downtown to the Diamond and get him at Sandler Junction, but when I was leaving Wawa at Fanoto Sasa and I-4 a couple miles back, I heard him call Sandler Junction. Dylan told me he was coming up on Market, but I think the source that he used was a little bit late. So when he said it was at Market, it was at Sandler Junction. I could only beat it to I-4. But luckily, the lighting from this highway headlights very good. So illuminated almost the whole train. So good stuff.
With lead motor 3159.
Ah!
The Lakeland sub on the message 2.
In my dreams.
57.0 and the A861.0. 861.2 and the A863.1 is clear southbound. Speed for your train, over. Engine 3159, got a clear signal, Plant City and Lakeland, southbound out.
gentlemen, we're here at Gay Road, what used to be a railroad crossing, but is now a dead end. These signals are on borrowed time, as you can see. And what's neat is that today I'm not alone here. We have Kevin from South Florida, Wade and company, and Josh Kittner over there, and These historic 1940 signals that you see there are going to be taken down in a month, so I helped choose probably the most fitting place to get Amtrak.
CO92, Amtrak engine 191, clear signal. South Y Winston. Back to the main track southbound, over. Alright, clear. Focus on. Look it up.
Oh, you can hear the conductor calling them. Okay. Must be doubling up. They were one of the hybrid -9s.
Stop, can I get 3 steps to get a girl? Protection 90. Stop. Back to release that protection. Alright, you got 3 steps protection.
Not timing out at all, is it?
So right now it's doubling its train. It's combining 2 cuts into one, and it's going to leave as it is.
Started discussing power from QO46, said he's going to have 80-24 and 34-40.
Is that Dylan over there? No, that ain't Dylan. I'm worried about him. He might miss. You know Dylan Scott, right? Exactly what I predicted they're gonna do. Lakeland. I ran into Alan Quigley over there, Agent 80Q. This signal guards the A line and also Winston Pass, which generally acts as a yard lead to Winston Yard, as you will have seen, or you will see with the next catch. It's because I'm shooting this after the catch that I will show you guys now. Unfortunately, on May 7th, these signals will be taken down. Their replacements are waiting to be installed. The bases are right over there, and then on the other side, you can sort of see replacements already sitting. These signals have been up since the 1940s, have survived generations of trains and even hurricanes, evidently. And it's bittersweet, but today is perhaps my last chance of getting these signals in service. Waiting on a special treat here, and also documenting the last of the cantilever signals. I skipped QO46 and I skipped 92 for this, so it better be worth it. Spoiler alert! Spoiler alert! Number on that second one is 5284. Featured. This is a distance to Plant City holdout southbound, and northbound I think they call it. Wow, they got through North Territory fast. So northbound I think they call this county line. Southbound they do I think this is the one that they call is distant to the holdout. I'm showing this for documentation purposes. I believe these signals are also slated for the same cutover that South Lakeland Connection's already cut over, and both ends of the Winston Y and south end of Winston Pass are going to be cut over, so I am just getting a documentation clip right now. Not much to see really. Same searchlight heads, permissive, but I still want to get it, you know? We've arrived here at downtown Plant City just in time to catch the tail end of the third Saturday car show. I saw them setting up earlier, but obviously was distracted by the show and Railfanning in between. So unfortunately, as I have my camera out, everybody's packing up and heading out. They do this every month, so no big loss. I've been to many car shows. Mainly the ones during the holiday season, so it's always a good time here. Normally we would be waiting for Q046 or Q188 depending on how familiar you are with CSX operations, but at this time of day, unfortunately, 046 had actually passed already. He was held at 10th Street for the K811 that we saw last train home, and he runs earlier. I would have gotten him at K811 out in the picture, but since I'd already seen Q045 last night with the same power, I did not deem it a priority. Alright, so on that note, I will leave you with a picture of me and the Plant City Depot. I'd like to thank you guys for joining me this weekend. It's been a long ride, but ended up being almost a flawless Railfanning day today. Had a great time at the show with GFLUG and had an awesome time Railfanning here with a lot of South and Central Florida rail fans and a couple visitors from out of state. From Plant City, Florida, this is TE out, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye, guys.